How to install the Blink Home Monitor app on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to install an application on your iPhone, make sure you have connected to a stable internet connection. Likewise, make sure you have created your Apple ID. Once that is done, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, type in Blink Home Monitor. Once you have typed Blink Home Monitor, it will give you a list of different options. Tap on the one app that you want to install. Then after this will ask you to double tap on the side button and confirm it with the Face ID or your Apple ID passcode. Once that is done, the download and installation should start. You can head over to your home screen to check for the update. Then tap on open button to open the application. Now you can either sign in or create your account and start using the application on your iPhone. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.